Good morning, class 8. Now this is the further explanation, the explanation of the topic pressure. I have told you earlier what is pressure, unit of pressure. Now this is the other topic. Here I have given you a note. You have to note this thing, that pressure depends on two factors, that is force applied and area over which force act. Okay, the force you applied and the area over which you force act. The same force can produce different pressure depending on the area over which it acts. That means if I am applying a pressure on this notebook, it is different, and if I am applying a pressure on this table, it is totally different. It is depend on the area over which it acts. Okay, so pressure is inversely proportional to area. As you see, formula of pressure is what? F upon A. Now if you can see, if I put a proportional sign over here, so what will you get? Pressure is directly proportional to force. The force you applied, the pressure and force are same, but pressure is inversely proportional to area, just opposite. If area is bigger, pressure is small. If pressure is bigger, area is small. That's what I have explained over here. Smaller the area, it produces a large pressure. Bigger the area, it produces a small pressure. Okay, now here a point, as I told you earlier also, that weight of a body is also a force. As I told you, that's this cat producing weight, na, force, na. The weight of a body is also a force, and it's always act in the downward direction. This diagram explain you very well that weight of a body is also a force, and it always act in the downward direction. Okay, now your next topic is pressure exerted by liquids. So here it is, hydrostatic pressure refers to the pressure exerted by a fluid. Fluid means what? Gas or liquid. Gas and liquid both are known as fluid. Okay, hydrostatic pressure refers to the pressure exerted by a fluid. Pressure exerted by a fluid is a special term there is, that is hydrostatic. What is the means of hydro? Hydro means water, right? So hydrostatic pressure at any point in space within that fluid, assuming that the fluid is incompressible and at rest. Okay, now pressure within a liquid depends only on the density of the liquid. The dependence of the pressure is on these factors only, that is density of the liquid, the acceleration due to gravity, and the depth within the liquid. Okay, so to explain this topic, here a very important law, that is Pascal's law, given over here, given by French scientist Blaise Pascal, and founded in 1647 and 48. Okay, excuse me. And what this law states? This law states that a pressure changes at any point in a confined incompressible fluid is transmitted throughout the fluid such that the same changes occur everywhere. Now in a very simple language, if I told you, what it is telling over here is, in holy celebration you use the pichkari, right? And when you exert pressure, when you exert force on the pichkari, the water comes in a same force, right? Water comes in a same way. So if you can imagine that situation, you can get this Pascal's law. And to explain it further, I have given application of Pascal law also. When you go to service center to service your car, then you can see this application very well. That is, hydraulic pumps can lift large object like the car by using a minimal force on the handle. Hydraulic pumps used to lift large objects like a car, and over there Pascal's law is applied, that when a pressure applied on this side, the liquid filled inside this, so the pressure exerted on this liquid is same at every point, and this is the Pascal law. Pressure exerted on liquid is same at every point, and when you applied pressure on this, it will apply pressure and the car got lifted. Okay, now next is, when the piston is pushed, water spurt out in all direction with the same speed. As I give you the example of pichkari, right? So the when you applied a force over it, the water spurt out in all direction in equal amount. Not that they here less water, here more water, not like that, na, in equal amount. Okay, so this is Pascal's law. Thank you everyone.